In the Kyrgyz Republic, 65% of the population lives in rural areas and depends heavily on local agriculture and livestock. When drought hits, pasture disappears. By the time the impact is clear, fodder prices have doubled and herders are forced to sell their livestock early at lower value. Households lose income, assets, and the ability to recover and invest in their farms as businesses. This is how climate shocks trap farmers in cycles of vulnerability. Over 500 million smallholders underpin the global food system and produce 29% of our calorie consumption, while fewer than 20% have access to insurance. Smallholder vulnerability is a core constraint to resilient food systems. At Blue Marble, we're building AI-enabled anticipatory insurance, turning climate forecast into early action and financial protection. Instead of waiting for losses to occur, we use advanced forecasting to trigger financing before a shock hits, giving farmers time to act. Evidence shows that every $1 invested in anticipatory action provides up to $7 in avoided losses and benefits. Traditional forecast approaches had limited ability to predict beyond 10 to 14 days accurately. Breakthroughs in AI-based forecasting paved the way for longer-range forecasting with higher accuracy, providing adequate time for more effective risk management and decision-making. For agricultural systems and disaster management, this is potentially a game changer. But like every new technology, it must be thoughtfully implemented to build trust. Significant work must be done in actuarial pricing and developing new regulatory approvals. Through the Moonshots for Development program, we would launch the AI forecast product in the Kyrgyz Republic in collaboration with the World Food Program. The forecast triggered early financing would support fodder purchases, livestock protection, and to avoid distress asset sales. Blue Marble operates in 21 countries, reaching over 1 million people with climate risk solutions. We're now scaling anticipatory insurance to make food systems more resilient.